أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.
فوالله Rasulullah uses that term of swearing an oath to the Holy Prophet to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. فوالله ما أحبهم أحد إلا ربح في الدنيا والآخرة. And we can see the amount of the zuwar, the amount of the pilgrims, the amount of the lovers of Abi Abdullah al-Hussein coming to Karbala from the land of Iraq, from the furthest point on the map in Iraq. They are heading towards the shrine of Abi Abdullah al-Hussein. Why? The only reason, the sole reason for this zuwar, and we are here based in the street of Qibla, Shari' Qibla al-Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam, and we can see the hundreds of the zuwar of Abi Abdullah al-Hussein alayhi salam coming to Karbala, especially today, which is Laylatul Jum'ah, the night of the visitation of Abi Abdullah al-Hussein alayhi salam. Why? Because they carry the love of Imam Hussein in their hearts. They love Abi Abdullah al-Hussein. It's not that they seek reward. The love of Abi Abdullah al-Hussein is the magnet that has extracted them towards him. من أراد التوكل على الله فليحب أهل بيتي. من أراد أن ينجو من عذاب القبر فليحب أهل بيتي.
أربعين حسيني يا أبا عبد الله.